Hey girlfriends, Emily Kennison here, founder and inventor of the curling headband. And it has been an extremely long day. I'm exhausted. These are my curls after a full day of being out and about. Just so you know, you can always just rewrap your hair at the end of the night to give it that revival of the curl. So that's what I'm just gonna do. You did all the steps, the night before, then your hair has already formed that pattern using the right water amount and the right products. And so the next day, if you just want to rewrap it, you can. You don't have to keep adding more product to it. You don't have to add more water to it even. It's going to naturally just start to reform that shape. And I'm tired, so I just want to go to bed. So I'm just going to quickly rewrap it. We would not be here today if it wasn't for you, and we cannot thank you enough. So happy curling. Thank you for being our curl friend, and I am off to bed.